Okay, good morning, everyone. Our lesson today to complete the last lesson that yesterday started about how to convert the polar equation to rectangular equation, or how to convert rectangular equation to polar equation. As you see here, we have three examples. Solve the first example. R equal -3 is polar equation. We can write like this: r equal -3. We can square both sides. R square equals 9, but r square x square plus y square, this is, I think, a circle equation, or equation of the circle. Okay, good. Someone need to join to the class. Okay, no, who is Mr. Abdullah Anwar? Okay, Mr. Abdullah, how are you? Morning. Okay. The last example yesterday, I solved it, or to start, or to think, to give the students to think about this. I give them this hint: x r equals r cosine theta. Here we have r equals 3 cosine theta. We can use this method, or um, square both sides like this, or now we can write here cosine theta. Cosine theta equals x over r. Okay, cosine theta equals x over r. We can write here, I think, x squared plus y squared equals 9 times x over r squared. This is equals x squared plus y squared equals 9 x squared over r squared. Yes, I think this is, we can write here cross product. This is r squares times x squared plus y squared equals 9x squared. I think r squared also x squared plus y squared. This is x squared plus y squared equals x squared plus y squared. This is, I think, 9x squared. This is x squared plus y squared equals 9x squared. We can take square root for the both side. This is x squared plus y squared equals, I think, 3x. Okay, positive or negative, but I think negative is rejected because this is the first side is positive. This is the equation. Maybe this method is long. Okay, the another method, I can solve this example, I think, into steps. Another method, or method 2. Okay, we can write here to solve the same example. Okay, maybe some student to join. Who is? No one. Okay, this example, as you see, r equals 3 cosine theta. R equals 3 cosine theta. We can times both sides. Okay, times both sides by r. This is times both sides by r. This is r times r squared. This is equals 3r cosine theta. But we know 3r cosine theta, this is x. Okay, this is x. Okay, it's easy now. R squared x squared plus y squared equals 3x. It's easy. This is the second. This is a rectangular equation. Okay, rectangular equation. Did you understand this, Mr. Saif?
Yes, Mr. Khalid.
Yes. Okay. It's easy. The second method is it's easy. It is better than the first method. Okay, that's it. This is the last lesson I solved it. The last example I solved yesterday and not complete, but today I completed it. Okay, any question? Any
No,
question?
thank you,
Okay,
Mr. Khalid.
you're welcome. Okay, let's start the new lesson today. Just to save this example and maybe to save this file. Okay, 19 today. 19. Okay, that's it. Okay, open a new file. Today, the lesson today, complex. Yes, complex numbers. This is the lesson for today. Complex number. We have, I think, in this lesson, 2 goals, but maybe we can achieve the first goal. Okay, maybe. Okay, here. Sorry. Yes. The outcomes for the lesson today: convert complex numbers from rectangular to polar form and vice versa. والعكس صحيح. Find the products, quotients, powers, and roots of complex number in polar form. Okay, let's start and to explain complex number. What does mean that complex number? We have here, as you see, this is, yes, this is real axis, and this is imaginary axis, imaginary. This is real. Okay, real axis. This is axis. Okay, maybe this is I. Here, this is R. Okay. For example, complex number. For example, if we have complex number 3, complex number consists of 2 parts, real and imaginary. Okay, for example, 3 plus 4i. This is real. Okay, this is imaginary. Okay, how to represent this number? This is complex. This is complex number. Complex number. Okay, good. Now, how to represent this number on this plane? Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3 on real axis, and 4. Okay. No, just 2 students. Okay, and 4. What is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 in imaginary axis. This is 4. Okay, to represent this number, this is this point. This is, yes, we can, as you see here. Okay. Okay, let's start. Sorry, I will give you your example how to find the absolute value of complex number. The absolute value of complex number, you can use this formula. The same how to find the magnitude of the vector, or yes, because this is z, represent, as you see here, z in absolute value, but z here equals a plus bi, complex number. We can take the component, real component, square plus imaginary component square. That's it. It's easy. For example, I will give you example. Okay, example one. Example one. Okay, as you see here, we have here z equals 3 plus 4i. The question here, find what? Find the absolute value of z. How to find this? We can write z in absolute value. This is equals, okay, a squared plus b squared. Or maybe you can write this. Where is a? This is a, this is b. Okay, 3 squared plus 4 squared. This is radical 25. This is equals 5. Okay? Did you understand this? Any question about this example?
No, Mr.
Okay, good, excellent. We can take many examples about this idea. I think here, graph, maybe this is guided practice. Okay. As you see here, we have, I think, okay, 2 examples. I will give some time to achieve this examples. I will give you, I think, 5 minutes. Okay, you can start.
أستاذ
Abdullah?
تحتاج
Yes.
نصور أستاذ؟
Yes, you can.
Okay.
And send your work to me to check if your work right or you need correct.
Okay, Mr.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Abdullah.
Hello, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
Good morning, Mr. Khalid.
You're welcome. Morning. Why you are late?
Mr. Now I come from the Liyahar, معلوم محطة بترول. Yeah.
Okay.
أستاذ حطيت الصورة في الشات.
Okay, let me check. Yes. Okay. Okay, Mr. Saif, for the first example.
Yes.
Okay. 20. This is excellent. 29. How much? Okay, good.
5.4 تقريبا.
5.4. Excellent. Here, this is 5. Excellent. Excellent. Well done.
Thank you,
Yes.
Mr. Khalid.
You're welcome. Okay, that's it. Mr. Saif, this is C in absolute value equals, as you see here, this is A squared plus B squared. Where's A? This is A. This is B. Just substitute in this formula. Yes, 5 squared plus 2 squared. This is equal radical 29. That's it. Also the same. Here, Z in absolute value, this is equals A, yes, A squared plus B squared. This is A, this is B, as you see here. Okay, just substitute here. This is, be careful about this, to put it -3 in brackets. Don't write, maybe common mistake in using calculator. Some student write here -3 like this. This is the answer is wrong. Okay, be careful about this. You should put -3 between brackets. Then the answer is different. This is positive, not negative. Okay, be careful about this. Okay, as you see here, plus 4 square. This is equal radical 25. This is equals 5. Why we take just 5? We don't take -5 because this is an absolute value positive. The first side, the second side is absolutely, you should be positive. Okay, good. Let's move to the next. Any question about this idea, how to find the absolute value of complex number?
No, Mr.
Everything?
Khalid.
Yes, thank you. Okay, let's move to the next idea in our lesson today, how to convert from
الأستاذ أنا حطيته في الشات ها؟
yes. Abdullah Anwar?
إيه.
Yes. It's okay. This is yes. This is Abdullah Anwar. The same. Excellent. You can take your work. Yes. It's easy to put it. This is also Abdullah Anwar. Okay, excellent, Abdullah. Yes, right. Yes, here, Abdullah Anwar. Okay, here, safe, yes. Okay, well done. Excellent. Well done. Okay, good. Okay, let's move the next idea here. how to convert to polar from polar or trigonometric form. Okay, the same meaning. As you see here, this is formula. Maybe you can use absolute value of any number. This is maybe, be careful about this. The same ideas that I showed you in polar and rectangular coordinates. Here are absolute value of z. This is a squared plus b squared, and a, maybe this is a, the same like x, rectangular form, x equal r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, but here a and b the same. T theta here equals inverse tan. This is not a new idea. I explained these ideas. Okay, but for a or x more than 0, and the plus pi if the a is negative. Be careful about this. I will give you some example about this. Okay, example 1, as you see here. Example here, express each complex number in polar form. Step 1, what we can do. Step 1, compute what? Absolute value of z. Absolute value of z, this is, as you see here, a square plus b square. This is a, this is b. Okay, this is equals -6 square plus 8 square. This is equals, I think, 10. Okay. Step 2, we need, this is r. We can call it r like this. R equals absolute value of z like this. In polar, what mean polar form? Polar form, r theta. We find r, r10. You need to find what? Theta. Theta equals inverse tan, okay, y over x. Y over x, or we can write inverse tan here in this formula, b over a. The same. B over inverse tan here, okay, b 8 over -6. But be careful here. -6a is negative. If a negative, you should add what? Plus pi. Plus pi. This is very important. Plus pi. Okay. Here. Yes. Okay. I think you should write here plus pi. Yes. And here also. Yes. Plus pi. Here. Plus pi. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can use calculator to find this shift tan to get it. Yes, the answer 8 over -6. Okay, plus pi, sorry, plus pi in calculator radian. Yes, the answer here is 2.2. Absolutely. This is the theta in radian. 2.2 radian. Okay, that's it. This is, we can write the this is theta if you need, but I think now we need what a equals and what r equals. A equals r cosine theta, and b equals r sine theta. We can write now step 3, just substitute r. A equals r10, 10 cosine 2.2 radian. Okay, b equals r here 10 sine 2.2. That's it radian. ممكن نحلها بالدرجات إذا حبيتوا. Let show me is here in yes the same. That's it. Okay, good. Step 3, we can write z equals a plus bi. This is equals a 10. We have 10 cosine 2.2 plus 10 sine 2.2. I think here should put it I. This is I, right? This is the final. This is form polar form. Okay. Here, as you see, this is complex number. Okay. Complex number convert in or written in polar form. Did you understand this step?
Yes.
Maybe
Mr.
we can take 10 here as a common factor. Cosine, right? Cosine 2.2 plus sine 2.2 I. Yes, this is maybe like this. Okay. طبعا هنا يفضل انه هنا prefer you put I here, not after the sign, before the sign. It is better. You can write, because here maybe some students think this is the angle. Maybe write this I here is better. I here. Also here. Okay? You can write I here. Okay? Don't forget. I will give you 2 examples to achieve them now. I will give some time to try to solve this. We have here, I think, these examples, guided the practice, 2 examples. Yes. It's example 1 or practice 1, and also here practice 2. Yes. Okay. Try to solve them. I will give you 5 minutes to achieve them. Any question?
No, Mr.
Yeah, try to solve them.
أستاذ
Yes.
الحين تان يوم نحولها بالديجري ولا الرديان عادي؟
Where? As you like. No problem. Here?
ستيب 2 أستاذ.
Yes. Radian. Maybe radian as you like. And like this, I think in the last question here, plus pi or plus 180. Okay. If you this, I think, convert my calculator to degree, like a 3, but you should hear plus 180. I think the answer 126. How to know if this right or 9? Here, 126 approximately 0.8, approximately 127. This is the angle. If take the angle we have in the last question, I solved it, R10. 10 cosine 127. Okay, you should approximately give the same. This is -6. Exactly right. Okay, because if look here to the last question, what A equals -6. Okay, right?
صحيح.
Yes, and if take 10 sine approximately, okay, because I approximate 127, this is the angle, you should give me 8. Okay, it should give me 8. This is the answer. Yes, approximately 8, 7.9, approximately 8. That's mean right. Okay.
صحيح.
Yes. Good idea for you to check your work is right or wrong. Okay, some students need to join the class. I think maybe who is 5 people here. Yes. Abdullah Anwar and Amr Abdul Hakim and Fahad Saeed.
هلا أستاذ.
Salam rahmatullah. From the beginning of the lesson or now join to the class? Okay. Did you finish?
No أستاذ.
Mr. Saif, Mr. Abdullah? Okay. Okay, good. The time finish. Let's start to solve question 1. Step 1. You should find R. R, this is absolute value of Z. This is equal A square plus B square or X square plus Y square. This is A, this is B. This is equals, okay, 9 square plus 7 square. I think you can use calculator. The answer here, this is 9 square plus 7 square. The answer here, radical 130. Leave them like this. Radical 130, this is R. Step 2, to find the angle theta. Theta, here a positive, we don't need to add pi or to add 180 degrees. Okay, be careful about this. Inverse tan P over A. This is equal inverse tan P, as you see, 7 over 9. 7 over 9 to get the answer. Okay, this is shift, maybe in degrees or 9. 7 over 9 over 9. The answer here, this is equal 37.8. 37.8, this degree, not radian, because don't change my calculator to radian. This is in degree. Okay, you can use this question in degree because the last question I solved it in radian. This is, I think, the answer here, approximately 37.8 degree, approximately 38. Okay, degrees. Everything is ready. Step 3. Okay. Step 3, we can write 8 equals r cosine theta. R here radical 130. Okay, cosine 38. 38. Okay, leave them like this. B also here r sine theta. This is radical 130 sine 38 degrees. Step 4, we can write the complex number in polar coordinate or trigonometric coordinate, the same. Z equals A plus PI. This is A radical 130. We can take as a common factor. Okay, we have radical 130 here, radical 130. We can take radical 130 as a common factor. We can write cosine theta, sorry, cosine 38 plus I sine 38. That's it. It's easy. Did you understand this step? Okay.
أستاذ أنا طرشت حلي على الشات.
Yes, let me show. Where's your, yes, Mr. This is safe?
Yes.
Excellent, safe. Yes. Exactly. Okay. This is the solution of the safe. We can put it here. Yes. Yes, right. Excellent. Step 2, this is right. R cosine, this is X. And Y R sine theta, the same. Excellent. Sine, okay. Hey, what this?
7.
Hmm?
7.
What, this is Y equals 7?
Yes.
Yes, no need, I think, to this step, because I think here, Y 7 and X 9. Okay? No need to. Excellent. You need write Z equals, okay, 11.4 cosine 37.8, okay, plus I sine 100. Oh, here, as a common factor, this, write this, sine what? Sine 37.8, like this. This form is polar form or trigonometric form. Okay, the same. You should need it. Excellent. Well done, Mr. Safe. Okay. Who else? Mr. Abdullah, did you solve it? Did you solve it?
Yes.
Okay, where's your work? Did you send your work?
Yes.
Okay, let's. Okay, Mr. Abdullah, to check. This is Mr. Abdullah. Okay, excellent. Well done. Okay. This is Abdullah. Okay. It's work. I think here. Mr. Abdullah, yes, to check your work. Taben, yes. Okay, this is right. Right. Excellent. Well done. Okay, excellent. Excellent, well done. Okay, that's it. You can try to solve this question in your home. That's it. Thank you for listening and thank you for understanding the lesson. Thank you for participating. Yes, and best. Any question about the lesson today? How to find the absolute value of complex number, then how to convert between polar, to convert complex number to polar form or trigonometric form. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. جمعة طيبة مباركة. Any question?
يعطيك العافية أستاذنا، تسلم، الله يطول عمرك.
حياكم الله. التسجيل راح يكون the recording in my channel on the tube. Also in Teams, but in the Teams, I think just to limited period. After the limited period, maybe the recording is removed. But I think after 2 days or in the end of this week, I will load all the videos on my channel on the tube. Okay? Okay. Salam.
أوكي مستر. يعطيك العافية.
حياكم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.